Welcome to Morning Man Coffee. Morning, Sam.
Morning, Scott.
Solving humanity's minor problems, one coffee at a time. Did you use a jackhammer yesterday?
Oh, yeah. I could use a jackhammer yesterday. This is the most manly tool that a guy can use.
No argument here. Yeah.
I mean, I was just pounding away, breaking up some concrete. At the end of the day, I felt fantastic. I felt like I had accomplished something that only a man can accomplish.
Yeah. I thought I was doing all right with my walk behind Husqvarna string trimmer because at the end of the day, my hands were shaking.
Oh yeah, that's a good feeling. That's a
It
good
is.
feeling. Like when
You
your
know you
arms
did
are
something.
sore, your ears are ringing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Our recommendation for today, do something. Something that makes you feel like you did something.
Get a manly tool. Use it.
Use it.